Well, we've been asked to provide another little movie on how to edit polylines and particularly how to manage the vertices that are on a polyline. And I'd like to use this little drawing to illustrate. If we zoom in a little, and if I select this area here, it represents a paved area, probably crushed granite or somewhat similar. Now, if I zoom out, you can see it's a sunk area, and you'll come out of the area up some steps, a flat little landing between, and then off. And the surface all the way through here is the same colour and hatched in the same way. And we'd like to extend that zone through here, whoops, this polyline here. We'd like to include the same coloration and paving in that area there. So we can extend the polyline quite easily by adding extra vertices. So if I let my mouse hover over that number 4 and just right click, I get a couple of options. I can reverse the polyline if I want, or set it as the current vertex. Let's reverse it and see if we can click it and insert a vertex. You notice it didn't insert nicely, but once we reversed it, we got the ability to insert extra vertices. So now that we've got the extra ones here, what can we do with them? Well, we can move them and use O-snap, and we can move that vertex. I need to click on there to the end of that line. Then we can pick this vertex and in a similar way move it there. I'll move this one. You can see I'm extending the polyline. I'm not even issuing the view command. I'll insert a couple of extra vertices and then move this one down to there. Clearly in this case running O-snaps would be effective, and I'll pick that one and select it and then move it to there. We've left an extra vertex there. If I now hit the escape key, can you see now we have the yellow surface working right through the area. I need to select that arrow indicator and use tools and bring it to the front. So there's a lot of power when you use polylines. They're easily extended, and you notice that because hatching was dynamic, it's associated with the polyline. As we change the polyline, the hatching moves with us. So don't despair if you make mistakes or want to change things. If polylines are involved, it's very easy to manipulate them. We'll notice this particular line running through here, which rather spoils things. We'd like to trim it off, and let's go to modify and trim. You would normally want to pick a cutting edge like so. Maybe that particular edge will work, and then pick the other one and then right click to pick the object to trim, and